Told you that you was beautiful, brown cuticles, mind complex as a Rubik's Cube. What I do to you is treat you like a queen and chase the dream. Avoid the hate, we try and change. Black woman's love, that's none the same.
Hola beautiful people, it's me, Penny Queen, and I'm back with another video. Today's video will be about these spring twists here. Yes, I have some more spring twists, and they're not the long ones that you saw the last time. I decided to do spring twists, but the short version. These are like more natural, cute, curly curls. Look, as you can see, I did a little braid pattern here with the twist on the side. This hairstyle was super quick and super easy to do. Now, not quick like the 10-minute hairstyles, but this was like a 4-hour hairstyle instead of an 8-hour hairstyle. Only because you didn't have to braid it all the way to the end. In this video, I feature a hair company called Bee Colored Hair. Yes, this is Bee Colored Hair from off of Amazon. You know, that 2-day shipping, that Prime never lets you down. This hair is in the color 1B30. The last time I did them, I think I had burgundy, so this time I'm using the 1B30. Get into the hair color. I love how it goes from dark and then a lighter blonde at the end. This hair is so cute. It matches my hair and everything. This hair is super cute. Again, the name of this company is Bee Colored Hair. I will leave all their information in the description box about where you can find it and how to get that 2-day shipping, sis, because it will come to you in 2 days. They also have other products, so you should check out their website. Alright, so we're going to jump right into this video on how I achieved this look. Alright guys, now that you have seen my braid pattern and how I have my hair, we're going to jump right into this video on how to do it. First, we're going to talk about what you need. You're going to need a crochet hook. Of course, I'm doing a crochet style. You need a crochet hook, scissors, a comb. I prefer a rat tail comb just to get my parts nice and straight. And a clip. This is the one that I'm using. And last but not least, you're gonna need your hair. Your hair. The hair that I'll be using in this video is this spring twist hair in the color 1B30. Get into this beautiful color. This color is so nice, and Bee Color Hair on Amazon was just so nice to send me this hair because they knew I was trying to get into a new look and it was right on time. So this is the hair that they have. I was sent 3 packs of this hair. This hair is nice, soft, and full. So I did the spring twist before in a previous video. You can hit the link up there so you can check out that. I did them in the color red. This time I have the 1B30, which is also beautiful. Another thing about this hair is that it's really full. Like each strand is full that I've noticed, and thick and soft, and the curl on it is very springy. So this is some really good hair. And as you can see, I've already installed a whole pack. This is a whole pack in my head already, and this is all I have to do. Like, come on. This is a whole pack and I'm almost done. So this hair is definitely A1. Alright, so let's get into this look. What you do is you grab one coil. You try to eyeball the measurements. It does not have to be perfect. You just try to measure it out like that. Drop your scissors there. Drop your scissors and cut. So I do this to about 6 of them before I get them done as fast as possible. This can be a little tedious, yes, I know, but I'm just trying to tell you to help you out. I would suggest just cutting them in half one at a time. You're going to take your latch hook with it open. You're going to take your latch hook and put it through your cornrow. As such, you take your crochet hair, put it on the latch, close the latch, slide it through, take your latch off, and pull the hair through. Like this. Boom. So you end up with 2 pieces. You're going to then stretch the hair, try to measure them out to be as even as possible, and begin to twist. No, I did not separate the hair. No, I didn't fluff the hair. None of that. All I did was put it through and twist. So, being as though that we cut the hair in half, one side is going to be thinner than the other. You are going to borrow some hair when you begin to get to the bottom of the twist. As such, you're going to borrow. Borrowing hair is not going to mess up the curl, I promise. You just twist it all the way to the end. Boom, and you have it. Just like that. Now, I do try to clip the little fuzzy ends as I go, because sometimes trying to go through the search and find can be a little hard. Alright, that's that. Let's do this one more time. Latch hook is open. Grab your piece of hair. Prepare it around your finger as such. Put the latch hook through your hair. Put the latch hook through your cornrow with the latch hook open. Keep it open. Put the hair on the latch hook while it's open. Close the latch hook. Slide it through the cornrow. Take this off and pull one end through. Boom. Like that. And twist. Alright guys, you've reached the end of this video. I hope this tutorial was easy to follow as usual. And these spring twists came out super cute. The whole look, everything is super cute. So I do recommend, I know some people may not like the crochet way of doing spring twists, but I highly recommend it if your hair is a little bit long. Like my hair is not that long, but my hair is definitely like not short. Like I think my hair starts about right here to the twist in half. Let me show you this one. So this is my hair all the way to about right here. Actually, it's about right here. So, do you see that this is about how much hair is left in the spring? So, if I was to use my hair, like if I was to do regular parts and then braid my hair and then put these in, I don't think I would have that much space. Especially if you go through and cut the ends, you may cut a little bit of your hair. And my hair's not even that long. So if your hair's like kind of longer than mine, I would recommend this method versus braiding it in and doing it that way, the traditional way. So that's my takeaway from this. This hairstyle is super cute. So this is the end, and you already know what time it is. Without further ado, I need you to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and comment below. See you in the next one.